This year's Yuletide season is the nation's annual tradition for revelry, repast, and spreading the Christmas cheer. But it is also a time for remedy, recovery, and readiness, especially with the skyrocketing incidence for flu-like ailments and the inevitable toll of firecracker injuries during the New Year celebration. Thus, busy public hospitals like the East Avenue Medical Center have their preparations all laid out for the inflow of firecracker blast victims from here on to after the New Year, as our Bien Vini Manalo reports.
The Department of Health or DOH assured that the government hospitals throughout the Philippines are ready for patients who will get sick or will be injured in firecracker-related incidents this holiday season, including the East Avenue Medical Center in Quezon City, which has already placed medical equipment, medicines, and disinfectants in their emergency wards. The EAMC previously conducted our orientation for stakeholders where the improvement of operational guidelines and strengthening of the patient safety and holiday readiness campaign was discussed. They also conducted readiness rounds in emergency rooms and hospital wards. Monitoring of operations and immediate response and implementation of protocols are also continuing. Among the things that the hospital prepared for every holiday season are firework-related injuries, acute coronary syndrome, bronchial asthma, stroke, and non-communicable diseases.
Usually, meron po kaming patient navigation. Meron pong referral system ang aming hospital. So, usually, they advise kung sino po yung dadalhin during that time at para ma-prepare din po namin yung area. Wala pong babayaran yung mga patients namin under charity, no? So, minsan dinudumog, kahit hindi na po nako-coordinate, dumadating na po sila.
Meanwhile, Health Secretary Ted Herbosa took a tour of the Philippine Heart Center and National Kidney and Transplant Institute as part of the DOH Ligtas Christmas campaign. The NKTI confirmed that they will also accept patients who are referred to the hospital for non-renal complaints or cases not related to kidney disease. The hospital management assured that they are ready to expand bed capacity for the expected rush of the patients this holiday season.
Ang pinakamalaking regalo ngayong Pasko ay ang pagiging present. Ito po ang ating mga health workers. The best present is being present. Hindi kayo nagpapasko, di ba dito kayo nagpapasko? The health workers stay in the hospital to provide continued.
The Heart Center also assured that they are also ready in case the case of heart attacks increase. The hospital will focus on cases of stroke, heart disease, and cough, which increase every December to January. The hospital's Bukas Center is also still open, providing immediate treatment to those who have been suffered firecracker-related injuries, have been in accidents on the road, and even those who have been affected by non-communicable diseases. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.